Oh my god.
C-Rad.
Greetings and salivations everyone, and welcome back to another KRISTIQUE Corner on C-Rad. I'm Krista, and today I'm not going to be doing a review, but I wanted to go over some easy modifications that you can do to turn your Mattel Baby Yoda into a baby doll Baby Yoda. And if you like this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss seeing us in the future. Alright, so how do you go from this to this? Really easy, guys. So with Greeby here, I bought a preemie outfit, and it's a top and bottom separate. And with his legs, I'm going to take these off for a minute, Greeby, sorry. With his legs, I just stuffed the legs with polyfill. Looks like a little beard, doesn't it? Yep. It's just the stuff that you use for stuffing stuffed animals, pillows, things like that. And you can get it at Walmart or your local craft store. And I just stuffed the legs of the pants up to about the butt. And then they just slide on the bottom. And there you have legs for your Baby Yoda. Now I chose preemie size because I like him to have shorter legs, because to me Baby Yoda is a short, squat, cute little thing. But people have been using newborn or 0 to 3 months. It gives you a little bit of a longer leg. It's just a matter of personal preference. You don't have to use polyfill either. You can use rolled up washcloths. You can use rolled up socks. I've seen a couple people have used pool noodles to put the legs on their Baby Yodas. That works too. All just a matter of what you have on hand or what you're willing to go out and buy. Now another thing that I've seen people doing is putting doll armature inside their Baby Yodas to make the arms posable. That's great, but you do have to take the head off or cut a hole in the back and re-sew it up. And if you're not real crafty like that, I have a really easy hack to make posable arms that doesn't cost a fortune or take a lot of skill. So what you need for this is just some flower wire. You can get these at Dollar Tree. This whole pack was $1, or you can get them at your craft store. It's not very expensive. If you want a thicker wire, you can get that. I just take these, and I'm going to use 2 and twist them together. If you want even more stability, you can braid 3 together. I'm just going to do 2 for the time being. I don't use this that much on Greeby unless I want to pose him for a picture. I don't leave it on him all the time, but it's really easy to get on and off, so if you don't want to leave them on there, you don't have to. So I've got Greeby's shirt off of him. I've got the 2 twisted wires. Really simple. Now you're just going to twist across his back. I start by putting 1 around his hand. Now the ends of these, like I said, they're a little sharp, so definitely not something you want to do if your Baby Yoda is going to be played with by children. But I've got it wrapped around his first hand. And then just wrap it around a couple times. Go across his back, wrap it around his other arm. And you have a really quick, easy hack to give him posable arms. Let me put his shirt back on him real quick so I can show you what it looks like to move his arms and pose them. Alright, Greeby is all dressed back up. The wire is still on there. So with it on there, you can do things like pose him to do the force, or he can wave hello. Or you can make both arms reach out like he's reaching up to grab you and give you a big Greeby hug. Mwah. Just a quick and inexpensive hack if you want to make posables. They're great if you want to do pictures where they're grabbing things like that. Now, I've seen a lot of really cool Baby Yoda modifications out there. And I have a Facebook group called Baby Yoda Territory that's dedicated to all of my Baby Yoda stuff. So if you want to join, I will put the link in the description box below, or you can just search Baby Yoda Territory on Facebook. come join. So in the group, I'm going to put a post where you can share pictures of your modified Baby Yodas. And I'm going to take all of those pictures and put them in a future video. And also, with those pictures in that video, I'm going to have my subscribers vote on their favorite ones. And we'll give away some swag packs to the people who get the most votes in our comments. If you think that sounds like fun, come join, come take part, and maybe we'll do more things like that in the future. Now, not everybody has a baby boy Baby Yoda. There are some girls out there too, and I saw some really precious ones. And you know, I wasn't going to do it, but Greeby has really been asking for a girlfriend. You know, he loves all his other Baby Yoda brothers, but he wants a little girl in his life. So, Greeby, you ready for this? Yes. I got a surprise for you, buddy. Greeby, I want you to meet Annabelle.
Hi everyone, I'm Annabelle.
Oh my God.
She's going to be Greeby's little girlfriend. And check out her cute little lashes. I haven't modified her completely yet. She doesn't have feet. I do have preemie pants ready for her, but that's okay. She looks really cute when she sits without the feet in this little skirt that I got her. For the eyelashes, they're just adult false eyelashes. You can buy them at CVS, Walmart, anywhere that sells them. I just got a cheap pair, but I got a really thick pair because I wanted her eyes to really stand out. They're the self-adhesive ones, and they do come with glue if the adhesive ever gets a little bit shoddy. But I just stuck them on there, and then I took my fingernail and kind of pushed them up underneath. You could probably use tweezers or something to do that too, but they're on there pretty good. I'm going to tug your lashes a little bit here, my love. But even a good tug on them and those eyelashes are not coming off. I might permanently glue them on later, but I'm afraid to get glue on the eyes, so until I'm ready to do that, the self-stick ones are just going to have to do. Look, he's reaching for her. Aw, huggy huggies. You guys are going to be the cutest Baby Yoda couple ever. I love them. I love them both. So stinking cute. Now, other things I have seen people doing to their Baby Yodas to modify them involve going a lot further, and I haven't gotten that far yet, but I am contemplating it. I had talked about putting the doll armature inside. That was something I was considering doing. There's also some people on Facebook and Etsy who are making Baby Yoda doll bodies. They're a little bit longer than I like. Like I said, I like mine to have the short little legs, so I've kind of been going back and forth on whether I want to attempt that or not. Maybe I'll do it with a brand new doll. We'll see. What do you guys think? Would you like to see me do a modification video on how to put the head and hands onto a Baby Yoda doll body? They're a little expensive, so I'm going to have to save up for it if you guys want me to do it. But if you do, let me know in the comments and I will consider doing it in the future. I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to see more things like this, let me know in the comments. If you have any ideas on what you'd like to see me do a video on, let me know that too. But in the meantime, if you like this one, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss seeing us in the future. Alright guys, there's only one thing left to say. We'll see you later.